It's secret, secret of the booze, yeah.
How you doing, folks? Rich Cassidy here with a brand new episode of Secret of the Booze. Now, when most think of The Breakfast Club, they think of the teen comedy written and directed by John Hughes. Me, on the other hand, I like to think of Captain Crunch, Tony the Tiger, Lucky the Leprechaun, Trix the Rabbit, and Toucan Sam. These cartoon mascots polluted our Saturday morning cartoons with one message, and one message only: buy our shit. And we did. We became addicted to sugar. Now we're concerned with gluten-free, sugar-free, tastes like cardboard kind of crap. So in honor of the man who taught future coke addicts how to follow their nose, we came up with the Toucan Sam. So what's in the Toucan Sam? In the Toucan Sam we have Rum Chata, which for those of you who don't know is the equivalent of milk with a little bit of Cinnamon Toast Crunch involved. You've got Loopy's Vodka, which is basically vodka's version of Fruit Loops, and Blue Curacao. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is we rim the glass with the actual sugary goodness that's found in the bottom of every bag of Fruit Loops. Now you're going to need 3/4 of a shot glass of Rum Chata. Okay. Next, you need 1/4 of the glass with Loopy's Vodka. Now leave enough room for Blue Curacao. Now the Blue Curacao is not going to add any flavor. It has a little bit of an orange tint to it, but the rest of the drink is going to be taken over by the Loopy Vodka and the Rum Chata. This is more for color, because Toucan Sam was blue as blue can be. Take a straw, stir it up nice. And there you have it, folks, the Toucan Sam. I'm Rich Cassidy. This is Secret of the Booze. See you next round. This one's on us. Cheers, folks.
Thank you for watching Secret of the Booze. Be sure to subscribe and watch past episodes. As always, if you have a geeky cocktail, let us know in the comments below.